Here, I'll record it right now.
Okay. You can do it. Yeah. Now go slow. Great. Yay! You didn't scare us at all.
Oh. Is it recording anything? Like
Yeah.
counting up?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
She's recording a video, guys. Say hi, internet. Oh, hi. Is it going?
It should be.
Oh, it's going. Okay, everyone. Hold on, let me back up. Okay. Oh, sorry. Excuse me, everyone. I'm taking a video on the Google Glass. Oh, it's recording, everyone. Hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello. Hello. All right, she's gonna go.
Hey.
Okay, ready? Are you go?
You might want to move out.
Okay, move back. Say hello. Say hello, mentor. Say hello. Oh, my hand is right here. Okay, ready? Set your phone.
Your Instagram yourself?
She was trying to Instagram herself, everyone. Okay, I gotta take. Okay. Slow, slow.
You ramped up.
You have to drive fast and go.
Why you put it broke?
Okay. Wait. I want to get my phone.
Did you feel the brakes out? All right.
Okay, now I gotta take a. Okay, let's take a selfie with the glass, everyone. Okay, everyone.
Oh, there's like 5 guys.
Come on.
This is the only time I'll smile.
Push on the brake and see if.
Hey, I wasn't in the.
Okay, we'll get in because my arm is not that long.
Wait, you got the little picture in front of your eye?
What?
I did not get a picture in front of my eye. We'll put him on again after her.
It's blurry, probably because I have bad eyesight.